विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. मी विवेक हिरवडेकर आज आपणासमोर 10th सायन्स 1 बोर्ड पेपर डिसेंबर 2020 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पार्ट 1 आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपण अभ्यासणार आहात सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 1 डिसेंबर 2020 क्वेश्चन पेपर. टाइम 2 hours, marks 40. Note 1. All questions are compulsory. 2. Use of calculator is not allowed. 3. The numbers to the right of the questions indicate full marks. 4. In case of MCQs, question number 1A, only the first attempt will be evaluated and will be given credit. V. For each MCQ, the correct alternative A, B, C or D with sub-questions number is to be written as an answer. For example, 1A, 2B, 3C. 6. Scientifically correct label diagrams should be drawn wherever necessary. Question 1A. Choose the correct options. 5 marks. 1. The minimum velocity of the spacecraft to escape from Earth's gravitational force must be A. 112 km per second, B. 11.2 km per second, C. 1.12 km per second, D. 0.112 km per second. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपण पाहत आहात सायन्स 1 डिसेंबर 2020 आन्सर शीट. Question 1A1. The minimum velocity of the spacecraft to escape from Earth's gravitational force must be 11.2 km per second. Therefore, correct option is B. 11.2 km per second. 2. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid is A. 17 degrees Celsius, B. 19 degrees Celsius, C. 15 degrees Celsius, D. 27 degrees Celsius. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 17 degrees Celsius. Therefore, correct option is A. 17 degrees Celsius. 3. The process of separation of light into its component colors while it is passing through a medium is called A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Dispersion, D. Internal reflection. 3. The process of separation of light into its component colors while it is passing through a medium is called dispersion of light. Therefore, correct option is C. Dispersion. 4. The conversion of ferrous sulfate into ferric sulfate is ... reactions. A. Oxidation, B. Displacement, C. Electrolysis, D. Reduction. 4. The conversion of ferrous sulfate into ferric sulfate is oxidation reaction. Therefore, correct option is A. Oxidation. V. Lithium Li, comma, ... and potassium K is Doberanner's triad. A. Magnesium Mg, B. Aluminium, C. Sodium, D. Calcium. V. Lithium Li, atomic number 3, electron configuration 2-1, sodium Na 281 electron configuration, and potassium K atomic number 19, electronic configuration 2881. Therefore, correct option is C, sodium. B. Solve the following sub questions. 5 marks. 1. State true or false. The refractive index depends upon the velocity of light in medium. B1. The refractive index depends upon the velocity of light in medium. Therefore, given sentence is a true. 2. Write the correlated answer. Torch, concave lens, camera, dot dot dot. 2. The correlated answer, torch, concave lens, camera, convex lens. 3. Find odd man out. Zinc, iron, phosphorus, sodium. 3. Odd man out. Answer phosphorus, because zinc, iron, sodium are metals. Phosphorus is a non-metal. 4. Draw the structural formula of C3H8. 4. The structural formula of C3H8. CCC HHH HH HHH. Name propane. 5. Which satellite is used in educational field among INSAT and GSAT series? V. GSAT satellite is used in educational field among INSAT and GSAT series. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, 10 सायन्स 1 बोर्ड पेपर डिसेंबर 2020 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पुढील भाग अभ्यासण्यासाठी पार्ट 2चा व्हिडिओ पहा. धन्यवाद.